Why do leading cleaning companies swear by photocatalyst technology? Because it's a game changer in the hygiene industry. Welcome to the future of cleaning, powered by photocatalysts. This innovative technology uses light to disinfect and deodorize, working at an astonishing quantum level of 70,000 actions per second. Say goodbye to harsh chemicals and hello to a water-based solution that's both eco-friendly and powerful. Schools, offices, factories, public transport, every space you manage can benefit from cleaner air and surfaces. Imagine offering your clients a method that not only kills harmful pathogens, but also eliminates bad odors, eh? Photocatalysts transform light into a cleaning powerhouse, driving sustainability and enhanced value for your business. So why stick to the old ways when you can elevate your services with cutting-edge technology? Revolutionize your cleaning approach, impress your clients, and contribute to a greener planet. Next-gen cleaning is here, and it's as simple as flipping a switch. Ready to join the future? Let the light lead the way.